Hey guys! Today is a beautiful day. It's sunny, warm outside. I want to show you a couple of movements. It's called arm styling movement. You're gonna use it in smooth ballroom or Latin, whichever you like. Okay, let's go. First one, you're gonna step forward on the cross, extend the arm from the elbow to the fingertips, and then we're gonna go to the other side to repeat. So that's gonna be nice and smooth arms movement. And then you can rotate your body a little bit. You're gonna do 8 of them, then repeat again. You can sway a little bit if you like. Sway, it's a good one for Latin, smooth, or ballroom. You're gonna use a lot of your arms. Look how beautiful it is. Feel. Next exercise, it's like using in passo doble, the move with the rounding your right arm, extend all the way back, move it around, keep your core in, like a circle, then again all the way back. That's how you do it. It's good if you're gonna keep something in your right arm to wave it around. So it will help you for your core, side muscles, spine, and your arms around. So if you're gonna do them like 10 or 20, that would be good. So we're gonna move to the other side. E. Alternatively, you can keep your arm on the hip. Or, again, if you want to turn it on, like 1, 2, you can do this 3, 4, 5. Okay, turn it around, go to the side. Turn it around, wrist, go to the side. Turn it around, go to the side. Turn it around, the wrist, go to the side. Okay. All right, having fun. The second one, we're gonna have a jump rope or any other object you want to keep in your hands, and we're gonna do like a rounded move with your arms around your waist. So it's gonna help to stretch all your body, including the core. You see, like 1. It's good for the passo doble. It's good for smooth. It's really, really difficult one, but you can do it. I'm not counting this one because I was talking, but you can do like 8, 10 times or 15. And the other side. You see, for me, to the right is more difficult to do. To the left is easier. It all depends which side is stronger, right? Left. So that's his second. Are you sweating? I am already, but you can't see it because I have a good shirt. Anyway, next one. So we're gonna step forward and cross, and we're gonna use our both arms, twisting the wrist around, and then move it up and to the side. Now we step again to the other side, and we move up and around and back, and repeat again. Up, around, back. Let's do it 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and you can do scoop and something like that. Moving on. Next one will be, it's like a rounded move with your arm, like number 8. It's like you're scooping something. It could be water or honey bowl. So, but it has to be heavy number 8. Heavy number 8. You see how I'm using my arm and wrist. Of course, you see my feet is apart. We will do one step to the side, like I am right now. See, one step to the side. Now we're gonna close the feet, and we're gonna do the other arm. Same thing. 1. So like number 8. This is important. You number 8 from one foot to another foot, from left to right. We're gonna close the feet. Now you know how to do the arm number 8, the style number 8 arm. We're gonna do cucaracha. This is one step to the side, close the feet, change weight, another step to the side, close feet, change weight. So we're gonna do 15 times. This is 1. This is 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Keep it on. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Doesn't matter how you do. Doesn't matter how it looks like. Try to do it till the end. Right, we're moving to the last one. We have to go down to our knees, just like that. Then again, we're gonna extend our arm from the elbow to the wrist, all the way to the end, stretch from the left hip all the way to the right, and then get back. We're gonna do the other side. Repeat, opposite side. So it's important to do quite a bit, like 10 or 20. You can choose the amount, but I'm gonna do again 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will hurt after all this exercise. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, speed up a bit, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. While your knees, it helps you to do better exercise from your hips and core and side. When you stand, you don't use that much. Guys, if you liked my video, please subscribe, comment down below, and see you soon. Thank you for watching.